Ian. This is Little Chef Ian. I did that on purpose. So our mom, she is a full-time nurse. She's a full-time nurse, not your friend, not your neighbor,
Not your patient.
not anything.
Not anything
Except for our
but
mom.
our mom.
And a little bit for you guys to know, our mom is Mexican, our dad's Cuban, and our mom is Chinese.
So what is the food group?
So today we're going to be making some ropa vieja.
Translation in English, old clothes.
What? Yeah, it is true, but don't say it's old clothes. Just eat it, enjoy it.
That's just the name, but it's actually food.
Yeah, it's food.
Some
not
people
food.
think it's clothes, but it's actually a type of food.
So now, these are the kitchen
Whoa!
rules. So now, the first rule is make sure you wash your hand and you're working on cleaning. You have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself and that's really bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is
To celebrate Lee's birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you, Ian.
Happy birthday to you! Cha cha cha! Stay safe!
Okay, but it's not correct, but still correct. And thank you, Ian. So now, let's try it again. And just for you to know, we celebrate our birthdays the whole month. And since it's October, it's my birthday month. So I'm celebrating my birthday all month. I get to do what I want, cook what I want. I mean, my mom cooks what I want for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for everything. And we can go wherever I want. That's a good thing. So now, the most important rule of the kitchen is
To celebrate your birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Cha cha cha!
hand sanitizer.
Stay safe!
Again, okay. So now, again, the most important rule of the kitchen is
Set the fuss there!
So now,
Let's get cooking!
okay guys, so now these are the ingredients. We're gonna need for our meat, we're gonna need our onions, our Himalayan pink salt, oregano, cumin, and 2 bay leaves. And we're gonna need our meat. And Ian, where'd my ingredient go?
Hey, what's my Goya season?
Got it.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Are you kidding me?
Got it.
And yeah, we're gonna need garlics also for our meat. And we're gonna put our meat and all these ingredients in our Instapot. It cooks faster. And when it cools, we're gonna cut it in we're first gonna cut it in pieces. We're gonna put it in there, and then when we get it out, we're going to
Let it cool down so we can be able to shred it.
Thank you for my garlic.
Then we're gonna need cooking wine and tomato paste.
You're gonna mix it together.
Garlic cloned, and then we're gonna need salt, Himalayan and pink salt,
Pepper.
pepper, and then 2 bay leaves. We're gonna need tomato sauce, Goya, green onion, green bell pepper.
That's the onion. This is the green bell pepper.
I said onion and the green bell pepper.
Oh,
And then
okay,
this is orange, and this is yellow green bell pepper.
That's for garnish.
That's
This is
for
for
garnish.
sofrito.
Yeah.
So now,
Let's get cooking!
okay, so now we got our Instant Pot. It cooks our meat really fast, and as you see, we've cut it into little pieces. So we're gonna lift our Instant Pot. And this is gonna get really hot, so your parents are gonna have to put it back in for you. We're gonna put our meat for it. Oh, get the meat in for it. Okay, you can put that one back in here, Ian. Okay, so now we're gonna put all of our salt. Oh, wait, I forgot that. Put that.
Onion or garlic?
Onion.
That's the garlic. This is the onion.
And so we're gonna fill. Oh wait, where's the little measuring? So you see that it says the max, and then it says the half thing. So don't overfill it above the half or to that. You're gonna put it exactly at the half full of water.
You have to put it exactly at the half full of water. You don't want it at max.
Yep, that's bad. Okay, so make sure you save the
juice.
Yeah, the juice for
because
your ropa vieja. You're gonna need it.
Translation, old clothes. For your old clothes or ropa vieja.
So, Mom, can you put it in for me?
Okay, so our mom already put it in there. Now we're gonna show you how to use it.
So we're gonna put manual, and you're gonna put this to 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Okay,
so you just wait for the 20 minutes. After you put that, you just leave it there. It cooks by itself. You just wait till the 20 minutes are over. You don't touch it because it's gonna be really hot. So, bye. So our mom got the meat out of the Instapot. Make sure you save the caldo. Yes, the caldo. So now we're going to piece it apart, basically.
So our mom took out all of the fat from it, so it will be easier for us to smush it.
We're doing it our way, not anyone else's way. Okay, guys, so we finished with our meat, like these. So now we're going to do our sofrito. Bye. Okay, so now we're making our sofrito. We have how much?
2 tablespoons of
2
oil.
tablespoons of oil. Our grandma sometimes uses lard. It depends. That's what they have in Cuba. They use anything they find. Yeah. So yeah,
We're gonna put our garlic.
and you have to keep on moving it so it won't get burnt. Oh yeah, so you have to make sure you mix all of your oil in with your garlic. Don't let it get burnt, so you have to keep moving it. So you have to make sure that you
Spread it?
Yeah, spread it across.
And when you start smelling it, that's when it's ready.
Yeah.
To put your onion and your green veg.
Bell pepper. So now the onion. So now we put our onion. So we have to keep on mixing our onion and that until our onions turn translucent. So we're just gonna keep mixing. So now we're gonna put, since our onions are translucent, we're gonna put our Goya seasoning, our pepper, and our bayleaves. So, there you go.
And I didn't open it good. My grandma likes to use it and we like it. If you don't have it, you don't have to use it. Okay, now we're gonna put 1 bay leaf and then we're gonna get a bay leaf and put some pepper on it. Just pepper, and then we're gonna put it in.
And we don't want to put the salt in because our broth is gonna have the salt too. So you have to, okay, once you start smelling that really good smell, you're gonna put your tomato sauce and your tomato paste mixed with the white cooking wine. So,
Be careful with your arms.
so now I'm mixing everything together, and when this is done, we're gonna put our meat and our meat broth. Good job.
That was easy.
Okay, so now that we put it in, we're gonna mix it up a little bit, and our mom is gonna put the
Broth because
we can't do that.
Safety first.
Yeah, because so now we're gonna mix our meat really good with the sofrito, and
then we're gonna put out chicken broth.
Our chicken broth, our meat broth.
Those chicken.
So we're putting our broth. You can put as much broth as you want. Our dad doesn't like it, but we do. We like to put our rice with it.
Coño, tengo hambre.
So now I'm going to try our ropa vieja. It does not need any more salt. For me, this is perfect. For us, it is perfect. So now we're going to put our,
I love a lot of red peppers. If you don't like a lot, I like them.
yeah. And also, Grandma, ours taste better than yours.
Sorry, Grandma.
Yep.
So now we're just gonna cover it.
And leave it for 20 minutes. Okay. We're going to reduce the heat to low. We're back.
So now we're gonna try it.
Yep. It's so good. Am I right, Ian?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. They're amazing. A great
Pan back.
And you can drink it with the malta, eat it with plantains and
White rice.
Bye. Oh my gosh, Ian, we are doing so amazing.
I know you two are mixing it.